Welcome back to channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to actually lock an Excel file. So it is very simple. Just assume that you have opened an Excel file and you are just normally working on it, and just things that you type, and let's say Cat Comrade. So after this, you realize that you want to actually lock the file. So what do you actually do to lock a file, lock an Excel file? So after that, you go is in review. Then under the protection tab, you have to go to manage protection. And after that, you manage protection, you have to turn on the protect sheet button on, and unlocking range sheet by a password. So let's assume a password 12345 6. You have to confirm password 12345 6 and save. And that's all. That's all you have to do to save a file and to lock a file, an Excel file. So now let's go ahead and check this on. We will save this book one, and we will again open the Excel tab. After opening the Excel tab, we will of course open our latest file, which is the book one, open in Excel. And what happened next is that you actually have the access to it, but the ones who doesn't have access to it will have to enter the password that you have already set in your in your last video. So what happens actually that you won't be able to edit any of this. As you can see it right over here, everything is locked, and you will not be able to actually unlock it and to edit it. You see the lock symbol right over here.